Did you say salamat? Ah, okay.
Go. Taste.
Try it na.
Tumabi ka naman.
Hot? Hot.
Ikaw din, dear, mag-try. It's just like tidbits of malunggay.
Okay, there's vegetables in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tastes like normal bananas. It doesn't taste any different.